The Skysphere is an electric and autonomous roadster concept car from Audi. The vehicle was presented in 2021, foreshadowing a grand touring model benefiting from a variable wheelbase. The Skysphere concept is the first in a family of Audi concept cars. The car was developed with one goal, and that is to envision an automotive future where the car becomes an interactive space. The Skysphere is a mechanically audacious attempt to embody two ideals: a comfortable grand tourer and a more agile sports car. The electric two-door roadster combines the vision of automated driving, a revolutionary new interior design, and a fully integrated digital ecosystem. Audi Skysphere offers two different driving modes: a grand touring mode and sport mode. In sport mode, the driver is behind the wheel, while in grand touring mode, the wheelbase is stretched to its maximum. This concept car is based on 23-inch wheels and has air suspension, as well as rear-wheel steering. Said to cost over $1.5 million, the Audi Skysphere points toward a future where your autonomous car can drive you out of town, then turn into a sporty roadster you'll want to drive. Its wheelbase is variable, thanks to a sophisticated mechanism which allows the car's body and chassis elements to slide into each other. With the press of a virtual button and the aid of electric motors with telescoping structural elements, the Skysphere's entire front end can extend or contract, changing the vehicle's size from an autonomous long wheelbase stable grand tourer to a 9.8-inch shorter driver-centric roadster. Even the interior of the Skysphere transforms, the steering wheel and pedals coming out of the bulkhead as the passenger seat moves rearward, and the driver's portion of the dash comes forward to serve as an instrument panel. The Skysphere concept is the latest elaboration on the theme of the long, low-hood cabin that has intrigued automotive enthusiasts for centuries. The Audi Skysphere concept packs a 623 horsepower electric motor and a battery pack, 30% of which lies between the passengers, with the other 70% behind the rear bulkhead. The Skysphere is Audi's first attempt at two-in-one cars. With a single speed and 553 pound-feet of torque, Audi says there's enough theoretical propulsion to send the Skysphere to 62 miles per hour in 4 seconds. An 80 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides the Skysphere with a range of about 310 miles. The vehicle features an adaptive wheelbase, with a compact cabin and a long front end. Rather than creating a grand tourer with sports car traits, the Skysphere makes it possible to switch between two separate modes, with one offering a Level 4 autonomous driving capability and the other offering a physically shorter electric roadster. The Skysphere weighs 4,000 pounds, with the battery pack positioned at the rear, which gives the car a well-balanced weight distribution. The suspension system features a double wishbone design at the front and rear, while the steering comprises the electrically controlled steer-by-wire technology, with a variable motor setup depending on the drive mode. The Skysphere's development process combines 3D digital design technologies with traditional craftsmanship. The underlying theme is a continuation of Audi's tech-forward nature into the ever more technological future. The vehicle looks breathtaking on the outside, but most of the design energy goes into the interior, creating a comfortable and luxurious space, which is perfect for long-distance travel. The interior highlight is perhaps the crystal flourishes and backlit control panels. The small analog clock in the center console appears somewhat old-fashioned, but ultimately adds to the ambiance of the ultra-futuristic vehicle. Inside the Skysphere is a full dashboard screen, which splits and recedes depending on the driving mode. The car's minimalist interior is focused on semi-autonomous commute comfort and sporty driving support. Despite the sportiness of the Skysphere and lack of apparent cargo area, there's actually space for a custom luggage set just above the rear drivetrain assembly, and there is also space for 2 custom golf bags under the long hood. The Skysphere is the first of 3 upcoming concept cars from Audi. It will be followed by the Grand Sphere and the Urban Sphere. The vehicles speak volumes about Audi's creative and design direction for the future. The car shows how the brand is redefining luxury. The Skysphere is not just about driving. The car was designed with the clear objective of offering a captivating and world-class motoring experience. To give passengers the maximum amount of freedom, the Skysphere makes use of a spectacular technical detailing. The Audi Skysphere automatically keeps an eye on the road, with its sensor system which can drive the occupants safely to their destination. similar to how the interior design offers a new contemporary interpretation of luxury, digitization, and the ecosystem open up unprecedented levels of freedom for the vehicle's passengers.